Robot vacuums can add a lot of convenience to your daily routine by taking care of essential cleaning tasks, but which ones are the best for your buck? In this video, we're breaking down the best robot vacuums on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want a great value product, or you're looking for the absolute best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which robot vacuum will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First is the Eufy Robovac 11S Slim, our pick for the best cheap robot vacuum. Robot vacuums can get very expensive, and that spells trouble if you don't want to spend too much for a good one. The Eufy Robovac 11S Slim is a very affordable and well-performing little robot vacuum with a nice design and some great cleaning skills in one package priced under $250. This Robovac is an attractive-looking vacuum with a tempered glass top and black finish that looks both futuristic and very stylish. With a size of just 12.8 inches in diameter and just shy of 3 inches in height, it has no trouble getting underneath hard-to-reach spots such as couches and dressers. It works its magic by relying on a series of sensors that navigate obstacles without the need for mapping technology. A simple roller and spin brush combination takes care of cleaning duties, packing dirt into a 0.6-liter dustbin. Setting up the Robovac involves attaching the side brushes and turning it on, which is quite simple. The device charges via pins on its cradled dock, and each full charge nets about 100 minutes of vacuuming time before requiring a power-up. The device offers multiple cleaning modes that can be toggled via remote control. These include single room, edge mode for walls, spot cleaning for concentrated effort on a particular area, and manual mode for remote controlled steering. Auto mode takes the guesswork out of the equation and does the job for you by choosing the appropriate mode for a particular space. It also cleans exceptionally well for such a cheap vacuum, which is a pleasant surprise. The Robovac doesn't include support for digital assistance or Wi-Fi connectivity, which is a small letdown for such a great cleaning device. However, it's very simple to set up, it does its job remarkably well, and punches way above its slim weight at a very attractive price point. Next up, we have the iRobot Roomba 960, our pick for the best robot vacuum for pet hair. Pet owners know how hard it is to keep the house clean of pet hair, especially in hard-to-reach areas such as underneath the couch. The iRobot Roomba 960 is a good solution to this problem, offering up one of the best pet-focused robot vacuums around for a price under $450. The Roomba 960 utilizes a camera system to navigate around a room and avoid obstacles while going after its intended target. It performs very well on multiple floor types, including rugs and pattern materials that can throw off other robot vacuums. Its small size and clearance allows it to get underneath low furniture like dressers, beds, and couches with ease, and it can even be programmed for multiple passes within the same room for more methodical cleaning duties. Battery life clocks in around 75 minutes, which isn't as long as the Eufy Robovac, but it trades this for speedy performance even in double pass mode before returning to its dock to recharge. It's also a quiet robot vacuum in comparison to many other models, which is nice not for just humans, but pets as well. The iRobot Roomba 960 lacks the manual steering mode of the Eufy Robovac, which is unfortunate for a device at this price range. It can also sometimes find itself caught underneath low furniture and requiring a quick assist. These are small drawbacks for the excellent level of performance it gives in return, which is far more versatile, intuitive, and thorough than many competing models. Up next is the Liectroux P100, our pick for the best robot mop vacuum combo. Robot vacuums are handy, but few of them feature mop functionality as well, which is one more task you have to take care of. The Liectroux P100 takes care of this problem by blending a mop feature along with a traditional robot vacuum for the best of both worlds in one very small, low-profile design. Considering its multifunctionality that combines two features at a high level, it is also very reasonably priced at under $350. The P100 uses 2D map navigation and a bionic algorithm that maps the house and creates a cleaning scheme based on the data it acquires. A wireless carrier indoor positioning system retains this in memory for future cleaning cycles. You can keep track of the P100's efficiency via a smartphone app that gives you a visible cleaning path so you can make adjustments as you see fit. The wet mopping mode is the P100's biggest strength, combining a 350 milliliter water tank with smart control functionality to perform its task with even permeating and deep cleaning. Changing out both the water tank and dustbin is done simply by withdrawing and inserting without having to turn the unit upside down. The P100 features a heavy-duty brushless frequency conversion motor that combines high rotation speed with very strong suction power to do its job without making a lot of noise in the process. It includes anti-collision and anti-fall technology, and can even free itself if it gets tangled up in a cord. All this, plus the ability to climb over obstacles no higher than 1 centimeter, which is great for entering multiple rooms. The Liectroux P100 is a robot mop vacuum combo that delivers in spades thanks to its incredible built-in technologies, and a host of bells and whistles that go far beyond mini vacuums in its class. It's truly an automatic cleaner considering vacuuming is only half of what needs to get done for a truly clean house. It's a fantastic choice for those who need some mopping done around the house as well as vacuuming. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next we have the Shark IQ R101AE. Our choice for a great overall robot vacuum. If you're having trouble narrowing down your list of choices for a great overall robot vacuum, the Shark IQ R101AE might be the right choice. Not only is it a great all-around contender, but it comes with a few nice surprises that you may not have thought of for a competitive price of under $550. The Shark IQ sets itself apart from previous robot vacuums in this video by offering a self-emptying feature that takes a lot of the work out of managing such a device. When full, the Shark IQ will navigate back to its bin and deposit content so it can go back to business without interruption. The tagless base can hold dirt for up to 1 month, which is very advantageous for cutting down work around the house. This vacuum navigates accurately through the house and maps it for future reference, eliminating the need to constantly instruct it. It's a thorough vacuum as well, thanks to powerful suction capabilities and brushes that loosen sticky debris on floors. It can handle vinyl, laminate, tile, wood, or concrete, taking multiple passes if need be. The self-cleaning brush roll plays a part here by untangling hair constantly during operation, which is great for pet hair. Deep cleaning goes a step further to dig into carpets and pull out debris. It can even handle dust in corners and crevices via 2 separate angled brushes designed specifically for the task. There are a few minor drawbacks to the Shark IQ, including a 4-hour charging time which may be inconvenient for some, and it's also a much noisier robot vacuum than others on our list, such as the Roomba 960. It more than makes up for these small issues with a robust feature set and a level of convenience that sets it apart from the previous entries in this video, making it a super handy robot vacuum with great overall performance. Finally, we have the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, our pick for the best overall robot vacuum. If you're having trouble picking the absolute best robot vacuum for your home, and money is no option, then the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is definitely a top spot contender. It's one of the most advanced robot vacuums on the market, with a level of performance and technology that amazes, but you have to be willing to pay just under $1,400 for it. The Roomba S9 Plus deviates from traditional robot vacuum designs with a square front motif instead of a perfectly circular shape, which is a callback to more traditionally manual vacuums. This helps it tackle corners and edges far more easily. The brush roll is situated near this front portion to allow for a much wider layout, translating to better dirt pickup. The controls are simple and efficient, with a clean button to start the vacuuming cycle, a home button to send the Roomba back to its charging cradle, and a spot button for hard targeting specific areas that require more effort to clean. It's one of the most efficient robot vacuums when it comes to cleaning, able to pick up nearly 100% of all debris across many different types of floor, including carpet. It comes with imprint smart mapping technology that identifies the most efficient method of cleaning each room, and iAdapt 3.0 aids in navigation to detect obstacles and maneuver around them. The S9 Plus also features the same style self-emptying feature as the Shark IQ, with support for allergen lock bags to keep dust where it belongs. The only downside to the Roomba S9 Plus is its high price tag, which puts it out of the reach of many consumers. The Shark IQ is a great alternative, offering up many of the same features for nearly 1/3 of the price, but there's no denying the awesome cleaning power of the Roomba S9 Plus. If you want one of the best and most thorough robot vacuums for your home, this is probably your best choice. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.